Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I thought about one other thing we could add to this to make it maybe a little bit better would be to round off these corners. And if you'll see that they're still not joined together, there's a couple of lines there, and actually we got a node there we don't need. We'll go ahead and take that out. But I think it'd be neater with rounded corners. So let's use the Smart Fill tool. Well, yeah, it's going to work. You know what we're going to do, though? We're going to go ahead and take out our wording and take out these two parts. Don't really need them in the way. And actually, we need this ring out of the way so we can get a solid black ring. And then let's zoom in here, and we're going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill this in. And what that did, it joined all our lines. So now if we left click, right click, these lines are now one node instead of 3 or 4 nodes. But I thought it'd be pretty cool if these were rounded. So let's go to Windows Docker's corners and set our radius on, let's just try it on 0.25 and hit apply. See how much more, I'm going to say more better that looks. And you don't have to do them that much. You could do them less. Let's go 0.15. You grab your shape tool. I'd actually get rid of that node right there. And let's see if we can't do both of them at the same time. And you can. So I just think it would make the drawing look a little more unique and better. There's still an extra node on top of there. So maybe it's that node that needs to be replaced. Nope. You could actually take that line and take that node and convert it to a line, get it back, grab those two nodes, hit apply. It's just going to give you a different look, a different feel than that sharp edge. Let's do that. Let's get rid of that one. Get rid of this one. Let's take all these and right click and turn them into a line. Well, that didn't work on that one. So let's just make these two a line. That worked. Let's turn this one, just this one into it's already a line. So what you can do is just cock that over so the handle gets even. And then let's take the shape tool and select both those and hit apply, and you've got kind of to me, a better looking feel for it. And then you would just put everything back. That's one thing nice about the nudge factor. And I don't know if I can get my original or the one I made. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.